Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. As you all know, we are here to help you to know about the legitimacy of the website. So today we are here to share unbiased review on the website, that is flints.com. So if you are curious to know about, as people from all over the world and especially from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this site, so let's check out the detail. Like, as we all know that there are many things that cause dry mouth and medicines and anxiety, and it is annoying and unhealthy for your mouth. Saliva contain actually essential materials, minerals and digestive enzyme that helps keep your teeth hard and properly break down food particles. Thus over time it can cause serious oral health issues. So luckily, Flint's company has come up with an effective solution in the form of Flint's mint. These mints quickly dissolve in your mouth and combat cotton mouth. They also give a pleasant electric sensation by making your mouth sparkle. But before making online shopping nowadays, you should know the specification and detail of any site. So let's help us to share with you the details. It is HTTPS secure website. The domain was issued on 30th December 2016. So therefore it has a domain age of 4 years and 8 months and about 29 days. They have mentioned the email address and physical address, but no contact detail have been shared, unfortunately. They have discussed their return, exchange and refund policy, and they does not offer any return, refund and exchange. They took 2 to 5 business days for process of shipping, and they deliver the product all over the world, and delivery is free in United States and Canada. They have different payment method. Social media accounts are linked with this website. The advantages of the website are they send effective mouth watering mint solution. The products are sugar free, vegan and non GMO. Adorable metal packing and plastic free. They made best pharmaceutical grade ingredients. You can enjoy free shipping over the shopping of $35 and above in United States. It is a trustable company with a majority of positive reviews. HTTPS protocol is detected. Domain age is over 4 years. The disadvantages of the site are the low domain expiration period. The honored deals are hidden. Here question may come in our mind, either flints.com legit or a scam. As we discussed, it was created on 30th December 2016 and it will expire on 30th December 2021. Few months are remaining for expiry. It has a good trust score about 76% and trust rank is 85.5 out of 100. The content of the website is unique and original. The social media icons and connections are linked with this website. They have just linked their Instagram, but we found their Facebook account too when we are researching about this website. Honest details are hidden. Mixed reviews are available on social media. As we all know that customer reviews help us to check out the legitimacy, and we found that the company received overall rating of 4.5 out of 5, which is impressive. There are some disapproving reviews too. Like one of the customers says that she did not like the taste or feeling of the mints and was recommended to pack the tablets in her chew to minimize the sensation. She also wrote that she wasted her money. On the other hand, other users praised the product and recommended it to others. So in our final verdict, we can say that as we seen, all the details are in favor of the website, as people are praising the product. So it actually depends on individual taste and preference whether you like the product or not. But from our point of view, we are recommending to make a thorough research on your own behalf too before making any online shopping. And if you have a personal experience on this website and about this product, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.